Today, we'll be making delicious butter and garlic salmon, along with some fresh vegetables, right from my backyard. Let's start by harvesting a few vegetables from my garden. I have quite a good harvest this year. First, we'll need some spinach, green beans, green onions, dill, thyme and oregano, wash the veggies and set them aside. For the fish, line a bowl with parchment paper and add in 2 pieces of salmon. I washed and patted them dry. Next, apply a layer of butter to the salmon. And season to your liking with some salt and pepper. Next up, finely grate a clove of garlic for each fish piece and spread it evenly. Add chili flakes to taste and a teaspoon of lime juice for each piece of salmon. Add in some pieces of lemon to the pan for some added flavor. Bake the salmon in a toaster oven for 275 degrees for 20 minutes. If you're using a full-sized oven, set it to 350 degrees, but this can vary depending on the size of your fish. If you're enjoying this recipe, please consider liking and subscribing. I put a lot of effort into these videos, and it really helps my channel to grow. Look at how delicious the salmon looks. For the veggies, add about a teaspoon of butter to a pan, a pinch of chili flakes to taste, and a 1/4 cup of diced onion. Now we'll throw in the freshly harvested veggies. Add in the spinach. I chopped them because the leaves were quite large. Mix for a bit. And then add in pepper and salt to taste. When the spinach has wilted a bit, push it to the side and add in the green beans. I blanched the beans beforehand. Season the beans with salt and pepper and add half a teaspoon of butter. Fry for a few minutes and remove when done. For plating, I placed a layer of the beans on the plate and laid the salmon on top. Then add a side of the spinach. You can serve this with an additional side of carbs like rice or pasta, but my family loves it with creamy mashed potatoes. Finish garnishing with some spring onions, a pinch of dill, and the lemon slices to complete your delicious garlic butter salmon dish. Hope you enjoy.